Go for ICP6. Let's run the program. Here for the ICP, we are finding triangle count, shortest path, page rank, and then for the bonus points, we are saving the vertices to a folder and computing label propagation and BFS. Coming to the triangle count, this triangle count finds the triangles passing through each vertex in the graph. We are computing it here and we are displaying the station, that is the vertex, and the number of triangles passing through it here. The shortest path. The shortest path algorithm finds the shortest path from each vertex to these landmarks, Japantown and Santa Clara County Civic Center. We are displaying the results over here. The page rank is used to find the page rank for the vertex as well as the edges in the graph. Uh, so we are computing the page rank and displaying the page rank for the vertices as well as the page rank for the edges. Vertex with highest page rank is likely to be visited more often compared to other vertices. Similarly, it goes with the edges as well. Here we are saving the graph vertices to the folder graph vertices. As you can see here, currently we don't have a folder under graphs. When this program completes execution, new folder vertices gets created on the graphs with its contents. For the bonus points, label propagation. Label propagation algorithm assigns labels to the graph vertices. So we can say vertices with same label comes under same community. We are displaying the results over here. Similarly, we are performing the breadth first search on the graph. Breadth first search algorithm traverses the graph from the start vertex Japantown in breadth first search manner. Um, the code is still getting executed. I'll pause it for a while. Here the program is still running, but let's see the output. Here this is the triangle count vertex, each vertex in the station and the number of triangles passing through them. The shortest path output from all the vertices to Japantown and Santa Clara County. Page rank for the vertices and the edges. This is the page rank for the vertices. You can see the California Avenue has a highest page rank compared to others, so it's likely to get visited more often compared to others. Similarly, this is the page rank for the edges. The weight is displayed over here. The label propagation, here the label is assigned to each vertex in the graph. Here you can see the MLK library and Adobe are assigned same label. Similarly, the station ID 64, 62, 75 and 63 are assigned same labels. Here there is output of breadth first search starting from Japantown, the starting vertex, to all the vertices in the graph. Okay, the execution is completed. Here you can see a new folder vertices is created on the graphs. To save the vertices, let's see few vertices. You can see these are the vertices. These all about this ICP.